RetinAlyze, an AI diabetic retinopathy detector. First, let's analyze the problem. Diabetes is a medical condition that impacts over 830 million people worldwide. Diabetes has several complications, one of which is diabetic retinopathy. This disease threatens vision and risks eyesight for patients. The cost barriers of its complex imaging, compounded with growing research disparities in different communities, make this a challenging problem to solve. It's becoming more prevalent in our society today because of the increased risk of diabetes through unhealthy and processed food consumption. People risk losing their vision mostly because they can't get a good diagnosis in time, and that's where RetinAlyze comes in. RetinAlyze fills a critical gap by analyzing retinal images in seconds, helping clinicians and patients make faster, more informed decisions. There are three core components that work together to make it a fully functioning AI assistant. First, a convolutional neural network trained on over 92,000 retinal fundus images classifies diabetic retinopathy severity from 0 to 4 and provides a confidence score, offering instant visual analysis for clinical support. Second, a biomedical Q&A chat powered by BioBird-based NLP model answers questions about diabetic retinopathy, treatments, and risk factors with reliable explanations from verified medical sources. And finally, a commenting feature lets users add observations or feedback for each scan, supporting their clinical review and helping improve the system over time. Let's take a closer look at this model. This is RetinAlyze. First, let's utilize the first feature by uploading a retinal image. So this is an image of an eye with diabetic retinopathy. As we can see that there are some abnormal tissues over here and large blood vessels, and the model analyzes this and outputs a positive result with a confidence of 98%. This predicted class is class 5, which is high confidence for diabetic retinopathy. We can ask questions about what this means by asking like, what is diabetic retinopathy? And the model provides an answer. You can ask several different questions like, what does class 5 diagnosis mean? And then again, the model will present that answer to you. We can also add comments by commenting right over here, hi, and then you can keep track of your medical history over time using this commenting feature. RetinAlyze combines different tools and resources. I built the models in Google Colab and the app in VS Code, training the CNN on IPAX, Optos, and Messidor retinal images from a Kaggle dataset. The biomedical chat uses a Hugging Face NLP model, and the interface is deployed with Streamlit. Generative AI helps with debugging and transitioning from Colab to Streamlit, and this all resulted in a fully functional, user-friendly app. I have included commenting wherever generative AI was used in the original code. With limited computing power, I face constraints on model complexity and efficiency. In the future, more compute would allow deeper architectures, stronger metrics, and more capable neural network models and NLP models to improve overall performance and usability. Thank you so much.